Hi, let me ask you a simple question. Are you tired of scrolling through endless job listings, searching for the perfect opportunity in the field of data engineering? Are you worried that you don't have necessary experience to land your dream job? The demand for skilled data engineers is at all-time high, with salaries reaching six figures in both India and USA. But without real-world experience, it could be difficult to stand out from the competition. So how could you compete with a candidate who have years of experience under their belt? So let's start with a simple story. There was a young and ambitious data engineer who dreamed of one day working with the latest and greatest technology in the field. The young engineer spent hours upon hours researching and studying different platforms and tools, but none seems to have the same level of potential and opportunity as Azure Data Engineer. The engineer soon discovered that to land a job in Azure Data Engineering, they would need to have a real-world experience working with the platform, as well as strong understanding of various tools and services Azure Cloud offer. The engineer also learned that the average salary of Azure Data Engineer was very high and that many companies were in need of such professional. The engineer wanted a job that would be challenging, meaningful, and help them progress in their career. They wanted to ensure that the time and effort invested in learning Azure Data Engineering would be valuable and lead to a fulfilling career. One day the engineers stumbled upon a course that promised to help them achieve their goal. It promised to provide students with hands-on experience working on real-world Azure Data Engineering project using the same tools and services that are used by top companies in the industry. The engineer was excited at the opportunity and decided to enroll in the course. They were not disappointed. The course delivered on its promise and provided the engineer with the knowledge, skill, and experience they needed to land their dream job. The engineer was also happy to know that the course came with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which meant they could try it out risk-free. The course also provided downloadable materials, scripts, and sample interview questions and answers, which helped the engineer to prepare for their job interviews. The engineer completed this course, attended few interviews and managed to clear the interview process, landed their dream job, and is now happily working as a Azure Data Engineer, making a great salary and working on a project that are passionate about. So what this course is offering? Well, we are proudly introducing our new Azure Data Engineering preparation course with a real-world project. My name is Sharafuddin and I will be your instructor. I have over 12 years of professional experience in the field of data engineering with a special focus on Azure and AWS. I have been working with Azure for the past 4 years and I am a certified AWS and Azure professional, and my industry experience include working for major MNC and well-known Indian company. On Udemy we teach all these technologies: AWS, Azure and SQL and many more. And the cool part is, I have created one of the best-selling Azure Data Factory course on Udemy. My course has received 4.4 rating, which shows that students are enjoying our course. Now let's talk about this course. This comprehensive program is designed to give you the hands-on experience you need to excel in the field of data engineering. Plus, you will work on multiple real-world projects that will help you to stand out to potential employers. There are multiple projects in this course and you could check out the course description and curriculum to learn more about this project. But we don't just stop at the course materials. We also provide 35 plus downloadable resource and sample script. You will get a course completion certificate that you could share on your social media including LinkedIn and Twitter. And with our 30-day money-back guarantee, there is no risk in trying out the course. So take the first step towards your dream career in data engineering. Sign up for Azure Data Engineering preparation course today and start on the path of your dream job. So I will see you in the course and we will have a lot of fun and learning. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.